Hello, welcome back to another video. I am now at Springleaf Park. Okay, a nice park here. I see many people jogging here, coming here for a stroll, a walk. Some are even cycling. Now it starts from the side of the road down here. You can just come in by this way, the path. This is the beginning of the path, and I'll bring you inside. Okay. Now, this long stream that you see here, I saw lots of fishes. Okay, but since this park is protected, I think fishing is not allowed. Okay, if you fish, it's a heavy fine. So you can just come here, take photograph. You can walk, you can jog, you can go cycling, you can admire nature, you can see if you can find any animals. Okay. I'm going to bring you in, so come along. So this is a smoke-free park. Okay, the bird watch is in the other side. Now, in this kind of a typical lake, typical pond, what you can find, like I've told in my previous videos, the fishes that you can find here are snakeheads, then catfishes and freshwater eels, and you can even find turtles here, tortoise, sorry. And what you can find another is toads. You can find lots of frogs and toads here, and reptiles. This is a good place for reptiles also. Like what I told in my previous video, they like places with water around, this kind of water around. They like thick vegetation, they like muddy areas, a nice place for reptiles to hide, like monitor lizards or snakes. So this is what you see here is a lotus, but there are no flowers here today, but the flower is coming up. Can you see the bud, the flower bud? Yeah, this is the flower bud. Okay, in a few days time it will open up and you can see a lotus flower here. It can be white color or pink color. They are very beautiful, lotus. Okay, on this side, on the other side is a thick vegetation. This is morning glory. The flower that you see here, the purple color flower, is morning glory. Very common in Singapore. There's another type which is yellow color. This is the purple color. In my previous housing estate, I used to live opposite a railway track, and this railway track fencing, they have this creepers, morning glory, all over it. This same type, the same purple color type. They are creepers. They are same like money plant. They are also creepers. Okay, this is the area protected by PUB. It's actually a canal. Okay, this is actually a canal where the water level is very high. Imagine on a rainy days, and after rain, if you come here, it will be even higher. So it's dangerous. The reason why they don't allow people to do fishing here, boating, or swimming because it is dangerous. There are no lifeguards around here, one thing, and there may be a reptile hiding there, a monitor lizard or python, a very long python, and if you're swimming there, if it catches you, if it's hungry, catches you, that's it. Remember, a python not only can constrict you on land, it can also constrict you inside the water. That is the power, that's the specialty of that snake. So this is a place where you can find catfishes, snakeheads, freshwater eels, tortoise, toads, frogs, monitor lizards, and snakes. So the other side is also, it has a thick vegetation. Okay, this is called a yam. It's a type of a potato. The potato is in the roots, same like tapioca. Okay, you can see. I'll bring you closer. Okay, this is the yam leaf. Okay, in one of my videos, I showed how to make an umbrella of a yam leaf. If you are going inside a jungle when there's a heavy rain, you don't have an umbrella. You can take one of these leaves, you can cut one of these leaves to be your umbrella. Okay, I can hear the sound of a bird. Actually, there are lots of birds here. Oh, I can even hear a rooster. I think must be somewhere over the other side. Okay, I see something over here. Alright, I finally found a friend of mine, a monitor lizard. Okay, let me bring you closer. This is a typical water monitor lizard that can be found in Asia. It's very common in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. I've also seen in Cambodia. Finally, I'm showing you a reptile. Hello. They are very good swimmers. They are very good swimmers and they are fast, pretty fast on land. It's very difficult to catch them. They can move faster than a snake. Okay, the reason why a monitor lizard and iguana can move faster than a snake because a snake doesn't have hands and legs, but a monitor lizard has. It can, while running, it can change direction. Okay, he can change direction, and he can go very fast than a snake. A snake has to curl, use his body to curl, so the speed is slower compared to crocodiles, monitor lizards, and iguana. Hello. Hi, my friend. How are you? He's very serious. But I've seen bigger than this. I've seen monitor lizards whereby the size is bigger than this, almost 3 times. Okay, I've seen monitor lizard, the size almost 3 times longer, and body is thicker. Imagine the weight. And this is compared to all the monitor lizards that I've seen, this is small compared to all those bigger ones, the big guys. Alright, I'm going over to the other side. See you around. Bye bye. Okay, I'm moving along. I'm going over to this side where you see over there. You can see a small bridge. I've come this far. Okay, I came to a shed. It's a lookout point. You can go up the staircase and you can take photographs. Oh, there's a bench for you to sit if you are tired. Okay, let's see what we have here. Birds in Springleaf Nature Park. Long-tailed parakeet. I know this. I've seen this before. I know this. A black-naped oriole. I must have seen. I've forgotten. Blue-tailed bee-eater. I've seen this. Blue-throat bee-eater. I can't remember. The white-throated kingfisher. I've seen this many times in many places here. I can't remember this. A sunbird. A bulbul. Yes, I've seen a bulbul. Oh, male and female pigeon. I've seen, but the color is different. They said more than 80 species of residents and migratory birds can be spotted in this park. Springleaf Nature Park. No fishing. Fine up to 3,000. Oh, that's quite heavy. This is a protected area by the government. So, like what I said, it's dangerous to fish here, swim here, and go boating here. It's not approved too. Okay, I see a fish inside. I see a fish inside. I also saw lots of parrots. Okay, the parakeet which we saw on the chart just now, a green color parrot, is called red-necked parakeet. Oh, can you hear the sound? Okay, I see another two more fishes here. Can you see them? Can you see the fish? It's over here, this one. Can you see it? Okay, let's continue. Okay, I'm now here the bridge, near the bridge here. And this is the other side. It's connecting to a canal. Well, when I saw that at first, I thought it was a python sleeping. You know? But this is actually a pipe. This is a pipe. But when I first saw it, I thought it was a giant python, a giant snake. Because I've seen snakes this big and this thick in Malaysia and India. I've seen snakes about this big and this thick. The body mass is great, it's huge. If you want to see one, a big size snake, you can go to the Singapore Zoo. They have a reticulated python which is long and has a thick body mass, and they also have anaconda. There's a boat here, but this is meant for cleaning. The cleaners will go around the lake picking up rubbish using the boat. Okay, what we see here is a small jetty for the boat. I can see some cleaning equipment. It is for the boat. They take the boat, they go through this canal from one end to another, picking up rubbish. Because it's pollution, it may harm the wildlife here. And the park is continuing. Okay. They have this protective equipment in case someone falls in the water, they can't swim. This will protect your life. Okay. Okay, the other side of this canal is an area with thick vegetation. Now one look at this place, okay, one look at this place, you know that this is a good place for reptiles like what we saw just now, the monitor lizard, and also a good place for pythons. They like this kind of a thick vegetation, and it is close to water. Okay, and you see, as you see the trees here, the trees is a good place for squirrels and for monkeys. They like climbing trees up and down. They like this kind of area. As you can see the tall trees behind me. Okay, if you admire nature and you like jogging, this is a good place. You can jog from one end to another. At the same time, as you jog, you can watch all these nice sceneries as you go along. Okay, I need to mention, for example, you look at this, you look at the grass, they are pretty long. If you are going trekking, if you are going jungle trekking, make sure you don't go barefooted, or don't wear slippers, or don't wear low cut shoes. Make sure you wear high cut shoes or rubber boots. Okay, right, the reason why, let me show you why. Okay, now see my leg can go in so deep. Can you see? Almost up to my knees. That's why if you are trekking in this kind of a thick vegetation area, make sure you wear the proper footwear. It's for your own safety. Okay, I think we are coming to the end of the video. Thank you very much for joining me in my tour in this Springleaf Nature Park. It's a small park, but like what I mentioned, I've shown you the video. Nice place for jogging, cycling, walking, bringing your children, bringing your pets, your dog out for a walk, or to take photographs. So till we meet in the next video,